besties, hi, it's a new vlog and I'm so excited to talk to you guys today. This is so cute, just look at it. So you can see that I'm happy today. Like, it's a good day, it's a beautiful day, no rain, because it has been raining since, and the rain has just been disturbing my plans. So today I'm going out today. I'm just going to be running some errands, checking out some things, going to see my supplier. She's actually in Nigeria and I just want to see her and just say hello. What else am I doing today? I'll be running some errands, like buying some stuff that I need for my business. Then I'll be doing some deliveries. So that is basically what I'm going out to do today. This video I'll be showing you an unboxing, yeah, but before then, let me just tell you what I'm wearing. So this is a regular, I don't know where I got this. I just got it randomly because I needed something big, and I'm wearing my hair from Two Luxury Hair, accessories from random store, my necklace from Aldo for the gift, and it's so pretty. I love it. Yeah, so let's unbox together. First thing I'm going to be unboxing is this beautiful perfume, luxury perfume. Look at it, guys. Just take a look. It's so beautiful. It's a Dior J'adore perfume. So it's J'adore Eau de Perfume. I would have loved to film like a separate unboxing video, but I have just one phone and I have just one perfume. So how am I going to do that now? Pretty. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it's so hard to open. Look, J'adore is written here. You can see it here. The sign is here. Let's. Oh, it comes out. Oh, it smells expensive. Wow, it smells like rose or something. I love it. I got this beautiful. Look at it. From my sister's brand. It's a pretty top, it's linen, and it's so fun. I've just been holding myself from opening it because I want to do an unboxing video. So let's unbox it together. So it's Chanel, and it's so cute. It's so cute. Look at this, you guys. Just take a look. Oh my goodness. Look at the details. This is big. This is big. It's beaded also. All these so pretty, like handle with care kind of outfit. I love it. Thank you, Abby, for this beautiful. So actually, I loved it so much, and I wanted to get it, but also I could not get it at the time. So it was a gift. It was gifted to me by my sister's husband. Get you yourself a very lovely brother-in-law. Just take a look. Beautiful. I love it. I'll be wearing it in my next video. In every case. She scary. Look, it's beautiful but scary. And this is extremely bitter.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Okay.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna touch her and get to know me. In the meantime, that's what I want. Just in the meantime. Crib by the beach like all down. Over more my killers don't tell. Shut up my mouth 'cause I knew you could sell. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach her and get to know me, baby. In the meantime, it's not the way I want. It's the meantime. I know you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime.
I'm going to the gate to drop off this for my dispatch driver, and that's what I'm going to, so just follow me. I thought this was recording all this while. It has not been recording. I don't even know if this thing is even capturing me well. Oh god, I need a car phone stand, I think. Or I think I need to try out that viral hack with a headband. You come up for there. You not go come up for there. Which one be down? Where you want me to go? Wait. I go this way. This one just a drive back of motor. Small picking. You know.
If you bring value to the table, you will earn money that will make you ride in Lamborghini. I'm not saying there are people who are not crooked, but all I'm saying is that value. Say, I hear.
I hear.